This is the Dalmi cart stand, one man operated, and we're gonna unbox it. So let's have at it. So there you have it. Quick unboxing of this Dalmi cart stand. So one thing I want to add is this is similar cart stand to the one I had before many years ago. It was the Black Widow one-man cart stand. So essentially this is similar to that. The only thing is this is made in Italy and the other one was from the US. But I think both serve their purpose. I'm definitely going to be using this since I bought a new go-kart or used go-kart. But so yeah, there you have it, Dalmi cart stand. And yep, see you in the next video.